Okay, we are at the Captain Cook Monument here in Hawaii, the Big Island. That is the only piece of foreign soil in the United States. That actually little piece of roped off there by the cannons. And the monument of Captain Cook is actually British soil in honor of James Captain Cook, who circumnavigated the globe like twice in the 1700s and was the first Westerner to discover the Hawaiian Islands. And this is actually the spot where he was later killed, right over there. He couldn't swim. Despite his naval expertise, he actually could not swim. And this is the bay. And that's the cliffs here, the pali, Hawaiian word for cliff, is actually ancient burial grounds where the royalty, the Hawaiian royalty, were buried. They lived over on this side of the bay. Over on that side of the bay was where the commoners lived. And they would actually, it was considered an honor to actually bury the bones. That's where they all their mana, their power, they believed was in the bones. So they actually would have, somebody would volunteer, a commoner would volunteer to tie a rope and climb down the cave and put the bones in a sacred spot, and then they would cut the rope and that person would perish. So they, nobody would know exactly where the bones were. So that's the story of that. A lot of history here, and it's one of the best snorkel spots in the world as well. So there you go, Captain Cook Bay.